We've all followed instructions at work. Anything from how to perform a process on a computer to how to assemble something on the manufacturing floor or how to clean and sanitize a space. Work instructions are part of a greater quality management system that help people learn their tasks, keep consistent procedures across all staff, and limit potential problems or defects. Let's take it a step further. To really optimize process, limit errors, and boost consistency, companies should be using digital work instructions. Digital work instructions provide users with clear directions and process steps, not unlike typical paper-based instructions. The major advantage to digital, however, is that they can be instantly updated, revised, and transmitted to all users with the click of a button. You might ask, what's the difference between a digital work instruction and a PDF of an SOP? An SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure, is a top-level guideline for a process or task. On the other hand, a work instruction goes into step-by-step detail with specific information. Taking it one step further, a digital work instruction can be dynamic, offer audiovisual aspects, and even be integrated into a wider digital ecosystem. Digital work instructions can be accessed from any screen, like a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone. Being digital, the data can be easily indexed, making them searchable. They can also be integrated directly into an existing or new ERP and LMS system. Enterprise-wide connectedness means that teams across a business or across geographic locations have equal access to the most up-to-date work instructions. That means consistency and reliability throughout the entire organization. If you want to see more videos on digital transformation, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.